We're excited to announce that Microsoft has recently updated their Canvas Teams integration to make it so that you can make students attendees before the meeting starts. To do this, you would click on the More External Tools and select Microsoft Team Meetings as you would normally do. If you were prompted to sign in, and then click on Create Meeting Link. When you do this, you will see the opportunity to create a title. Give your meeting a title. And click on Create. You'll notice that the interface looks a little bit different than maybe what you're used to seeing before. One of the choices is More Meeting Options. If you open Meeting Options, you will see a choice for who can present. If you select the drop-down arrow, you can select Only Me, and then Save. By doing that, you will make yourself the only presenter, and all of the students will be attendees. Go back to the announcement, and then click Copy to create the meeting inside your announcement. And now you're ready to have the meeting start, and your students will join as attendees.